Hello. In this video, we'll show you how to start building an application from scratch in Zoho Creator. Go to the Zoho Creator website, then log in using your Zoho credentials. The screen that you see once you log in is the Zoho Creator homepage, and it will list all the applications in your account. You can also search for specific applications by typing in the search bar. If you're a first-time user, you'll see an empty screen with the option to build a new app. To build an app from scratch, hit the New Application button, click Create from Scratch, then name the application you're going to build and hit Create. The application will be created and you'll be taken to the Design page. The Design page is where you customize and preview the application components for web, mobile, and tablet devices. The first step once you create an application is to start building a new form. A form is the component of your Zoho Creator app that allows you to collect and store data. Forms are, therefore, one of the main points of interaction between your users and your app. A form takes on the same role in your Zoho Creator app as a table in a database or a sheet in a spreadsheet. Zoho Creator lets you create a form in 4 different ways. The blank option allows you to build a form from scratch, adding fields and customizing them as you see fit. Choose Import with data if you want to import your application data from other databases, such as spreadsheets or Access files. Click From a Template to browse through our large collection of form templates to find the one that best fits your needs. You can also customize the templates once you've chosen one. With integrations forms, you can send data to other Zoho or third-party services. The data that your users submit through these forms are directly added to the module in the selected service. So, let's create a form from scratch. First, name the form, then hit Create. This is the Form Builder screen, with field types listed on the left. Just drag and drop these fields to the editor. Name, date of birth, mobile number, email, employee type, designation, and office location. Once you've finished creating the form, you can see its preview on the Design page. You can then click Access this application to access the form and add data to it. When you create a form, Zoho Creator automatically creates a report for it. Reports display the data collected through your forms. You can also add more components like pages and workflows to your application based on your particular needs. In this video, we saw how to build an app from scratch, and then we created a form. Thanks for watching our video. Have a great day.